For years, I've been reading about all the health benefits of Sauna, but I just thought the price point was out of reach until I found this portable one. First impressions, definitely heats up. It's about 3 by 3 wide, 5 feet tall, comes with a chair, the piping. This is the casing you just saw me get into, the mat for the bottom, waterproof layer. Here is the 3-liter sauna box that produces all the steam. It does have remote control and touchscreen. Steam disseminator inside the unit. It does plug in and it comes with a complete instruction manual, which I found helpful and easy to use. We have a decent sized bathroom, so I decided to set it up there. It literally unpacks from this storage container and pops up like a traditional tent. Set up 5 minutes max. I'm 5'2" and it's about eye level with me, and there's plenty of room for me to get around inside of it, being the 3 by 3 footprint around an 18-inch chair. This is where the steam disseminates and it comes around the chair and kind of envelops you. It is 5 feet high on the inside. I do not feel claustrophobic at all. Here is the device where the steam comes out of. You can do aromatherapy in that if you prefer, and this little unit connects to the tubing that connects to the back of the device out to where the crock-pot looking water heater heats up. And connecting this tube to the back of the unit is really the total of all the assembly, and it's pretty fast and easy, ready to go. The steam generator plugs in on the outside of the unit. Here I'm adding a little shy of a gallon of water. There are lines on the internal that you fill up to the M for medium, and once the water is filled, you simply turn on the device. It says it takes 15 minutes to heat up. It was less than that for me, more like 10. Temperature rotates through 9 levels and the timer up to 90 minutes. And then once you're ready, you turn it back down to level 6 when you're ready to get in. Actual material of the sauna is nice and thick. You see some stitching on there, durable. It's definitely like a tent material, waterproof feeling, but thicker, like much thicker, more like a tarp consistency. Holds its shape well, whether it's empty or fully inflated with all of the micro steam particles. Yeah, just pretty impressed with the quality of that. Got super hot, steamed up really well, but no steam escaped into my bathroom, so it was plenty insulated. Really just works great. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If you're looking for a portable steam sauna, I'm super pleased with this one.